Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about another day trip from Barcelona. This time we are taking the train to the beautiful coastal town of Sitges, where we will embark on a scenic coast hike to the charming village of Vilanova. Below you can find the link of the trail we followed. The train from Barcelona takes around 30 minutes, then we take some time to visit the town of Sitges and we start walking through beautiful beaches, cliffs and surprisingly also through the train rails. As we walk along the trail, we pass by secluded coves, hidden beaches, and without the exception of the train passing from now and then, the peaceful sound of waves crashing against the rocks will be the only soundtrack on our journey, making this hike a truly relaxing experience. After about 2 hours of hiking, we reach Vilanova, a picturesque village that feels like stepping back in time. Traditional Spanish architecture and nice traditional bars with sunny terraces that offer good and cheap bravas. Overall, this day trip from Barcelona to Sitges and the scenic coast hike to Vilanova is a must-do for anyone looking to experience the beauty of the Catalan coastline using public transportation. So if you're visiting soon, be sure to save this video and get ready for a full day of adventure and stunning views. thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures and beautiful places to visit in Catalonia.